Just about everybody wants a share of government's 20 peso a kilo rice, to include the Department of Social Welfare and Development, which just drew a piece of the action by ordering tens of thousands of BBM grain sacks for its relief distribution in calamity-struck locations. Our Charms Espina hashes over more details in this report.
Rosario is buying 20 pesos per kilo NFA rice for the 7 people in their household.
Dati ang binibili namin yung tag 45 eh. Eh ngayon, 20 na lang. Malaking bagay yun. Makakatipid kaming malaki.
Because it was rainy in the morning, Pocholo bought the 20 peso rice for his grandmother.
Mas makakatipid po para sa kanila na hindi po masyadong malaki yung budget para sa bigas. Mas malaki po yung natitipid namin kasi imbis na sa 5 kilo po is 300 plus po yung magagastos namin. Nasa 100 plus na, nasa 100 na lang po.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development continues to support the initiative of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s administration to make rice more accessible to vulnerable sectors through the Benteng Bigas Meron Na program. DSWD Assistant Secretary Irene Dumlao said this initiative is a huge help to Filipinos striving to support their families daily. According to her, this proves the government also prioritizes the vulnerable sectors. The DSWD already procured 35,000 NFA rice bags for disaster response and feeding programs.
Doon naman sa food stamp program nila, 20 pesos na bigas ibebenta rin ng NFA para doon sa mga accredited na mga parang tindahan or suppliers nila.
Currently, there are 94 locations selling rice at 20 pesos per kilo, including the newly launched Benteng Bigas Meron Na program at Zapote Public Market, led by President Marcos Jr. today. Meanwhile, the Department of Agriculture is monitoring areas, particularly in some provinces in Central Luzon, where traders are allegedly using the Benteng Bigas Meron Na program to push down the farm gate price of palay.
Hindi dapat gamitin yon na dahilan kasi yung 20 pesos na bigas, galing yon sa NFA na binili at 24 pesos. So, why would they say na yun yung reason when in fact, the palay na ginamit na maging bigas na ibinenta, because may subsidy ang gobyerno dun eh. Hindi dapat gamitin yun na rason.
The DA assured that rice prices in the market remain stable. This is Charms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.